wizard.
All right, good morning everyone. Hope you're gonna have a great day. Hope you're gonna have a fantastic day today. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed to the channel, liked my videos, shared my content. I appreciate all you guys. More than I can ever say, more than I could ever tell you. I appreciate you. Even if I tell you every day, it still wouldn't be enough. So thank you all. And if you're watching and you're not subscribed, it won't hurt nobody for you to hit that little button down there, turn on the noti bells so you get all the notifications for the channel. But let's get right into it. Trying to plug myself, trying to learn how to plug myself there. I hope I did good. Let me know if I did a good job in the comments below. That's another thing. If you want to see other cryptos, if you want to see me go over other cryptos in the morning, leave it in the comments. Plug in the comments too. Look at that plug. And right now we do have a plug on a green dot here on the 10-minute, a strong hike and a sheet candle to the upside. I was long from this hike and a sheet. We came up and then we started coming down. I closed it. And I just went back in. What's my price? 110,315. 110,315. Anyway, I was gonna try to pull up the short and long position, but let's just get into it. So we're in the middle of a daily leapfrog. We have the potential to come up here and complete a daily leapfrog from our daily VWAP to our previous day, coming in at about 111,150. And right now we are in the middle of it. Did that just reset? It did just reset. Looking good. Money flow is climbing. Look at that. Money flow is climbing. What time is it? 5:20 Central Standard Time. Here in the US, it is 5:20 a.m. Central Standard Time. 1 hour is also looking good. This VWAP well above this zero line here. It looked like we had a curve to the downside, but with the price action, she's lifting up as we speak. So we are in the middle of a daily leapfrog. Now we have the potential. Before we go on to the potential though, this 1 hour is looking good on these bull divs. I was thinking we might get one more, but it could not even be a bull div. I mean, we come up here, get a red dot, a little retracement back down, get another green dot at that last little trigger wave, and before it sends us. But we have the potential right now. If we can get above our previous day VWAP, which is also our weekly VWAP, they are running directly with each other. Where's my previous day? I want to turn that off. There it is. No, that's previous weekly. There it is. You can see it's our weekly VWAP running right there with our previous day. So if we can get above our weekly VWAP, not only do we have a potential for a daily leapfrog, but if we can confirm this weekly as support, we come up here and it doesn't reject us. We don't get a harsh rejection off of this weekly, but we come up and confirm it as support. We also have the potential for a weekly leapfrog all the way back to 113.8. But we also got the June 5th low VWAP and this 5-day moving average that's going to act as resistance as well. We might be able to come back up and touch the monthly, but it would take a lot. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's a CME gap somewhere at like 117k though. So I mean, it's very possible if we do flip bullish and we get that weekly bullish leapfrog from this week to the previous week, there's a potential we just keep pumping and close this CME gap somewhere around 117k. I do like how the 4 hour looks. We have a nice little bottom there. We're gonna try to open this candle above the daily. It'll look real good if we open the candle above the daily VWAP. I'd still feel pretty bullish. Hopefully this long, we're up 1.1%. gets to play out. I'm nervous about the 8 hour money flow. Like I said, we do have a potential to print a green dot right here, but the money flow's already come out on the 12 hour, and she's starting to get low on the daily. And I know I got a lot of new subscribers in the last few weeks, but I've been hammering about this monthly. This is not the right chart. Let's go back to the Coinbase chart. This monthly VWAP. I mean, we're still well above the zero line. Well, we could just see it coming straight down. I did have a bit of hope. For it when we started to get this green dot. When we got this green dot, I mean, it was followed immediately by the red dot, right? We got a strong rejection off that zero line. But I had some hope for this monthly, maybe edging to the upside. And we know September historically is the worst month for crypto. And now this VWAP is just shooting straight down on this monthly, 100% hit rate with the red dot on this monthly as well. And this will be on divergence, major divergence, if we do get that red dot coming. Let's take a look at some moves to the downside here. There is a VWAP that's what I was on the other chart for. I had a couple of hidden VWAPs on that chart. But this April low right here, this last April low VWAP. Where is it? Starts right here, the last low for April, before we just took off. It started pumping. You can see it's been support several times. It's been support several times, and then when it acted as resistance, when she did act as resistance, and this was on the 1 hour, we got about a 4% move, to the downside. Yeah, 420. Let's go to the 1 hour, because you can see the rejection on the 1 hour. I don't have time to find it, but anyway, I'm watching this the last April low VWAP. To really hold us to keep going to the upside. If we lose that, then I think we're gonna go lower. I think we're gonna see another 20% drop, probably to this Q2 VWAP. The same thing she did first time once we lost this VWAP. Maybe not quite 4%. I mean, it could end up being that much, but I would just figure if we're gonna lose this April VWAP, we're definitely gonna hit this Q2 VWAP. And if we're not going to hold that Q2 VWAP, we do have a potential for a quarterly Q3 leapfrog. Like, we could be in the midst of that now, and we come all the way back down to 86K. But that would be a macro. We would definitely have to lose 100K. Once we lost 100K, then that would definitely line more to what I'm thinking now. But right now, I'm looking a little bullish right now. If we're gonna go higher, we have to reclaim this weekly. If we're gonna go lower, we're gonna lose the daily. Then we need to hold that golden pocket and that last April lows VWAP, April's last low VWAP. But these are the levels I'm watching. I made the video a little bit longer than I wanted, but that's okay. God bless everyone. Hope you all have a great day. I'm out.